Let's talk about aperture. In the last video, we talked about shutter speed, how it controls motion and light in your photos. Today, we're going to break down the second major setting in photography, aperture. Aperture simply means the opening inside your lens that controls how much light enters the camera. Think of it like the pupil of your eye. When the aperture is wide open, more light goes in. When it's narrow, less light goes in. You'll often see aperture written like this, f1.2 and sometimes f2.8 and so on. Here's the part that confuses most beginners. The lower the number, the bigger the opening. So f1.2 lets in a lot of light. f11 lets in just a little. But aperture doesn't just control brightness. It also gives your images a creative look. A low aperture like f1.2 gives you that blurry background with your subject in focus. This is called shallow depth of field and is perfect for portrait. A high aperture like f11 keeps everything in the scene sharp and clear, which is great for landscape. Aperture is also part of what we call exposure triangle. The three core settings, ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. These work together for balancing the light for each photo. Now, if you're using an iPhone, you can try these effects using portrait mode for photos and cinematic mode for videos. I already covered this in masterclass video. One final note, the range of aperture you can use depends on the lens you have, and we'll talk more about lenses in the future video. So, next time you're taking a photo, ask yourself, do you want a blurry background or you want everything in focus? Then, adjust your aperture or use the right mode in your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.